One of the best ways to stop porch pirates and package thieves is to get a smart doorbell with a camera. That way you can see and talk to the person at your door without even opening it. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best doorbell cameras of 2022. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified our new videos. 5. Arlo Essential Wire-Free Video Doorbell. The Essential Wire-Free Video Doorbell packs in a surprising amount of tech. Not least among its features is its sophisticated motion detection, which can identify humans to avoid false positives. Motion alerts caused by animals, for example, can also be avoided. It can also use its huge 180-degree field of view through its square frame to detect and identify packages. And it must be said the HDR video is excellent. With night view great for peace of mind, at all hours of the day and night. It doesn't require wiring in like the old model, but can benefit from it if you don't mind this. You'll find the Arlo Smart Video Doorbell to be a handy home companion, easy to set up and simple to use. Opting for battery-only use makes installation in an unwired home convenient at first, but you'll need to charge the battery reasonably frequently. It takes a few hours. So either budget for a spare battery and work on a swap basis, or think about cables. 4. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Pro 2 is the best video doorbell you can buy, thanks to excellent video quality, speedy notifications, and impressively accurate motion detection. Using 3 separate sensors, radar, video analysis, and passive infrared, it has a nice slim design, just 1.9 inches wide and 4.49 inches tall, and multiple faceplate options to fit your decor. A truly wired doorbell. There are package and people alerts. The Ring app is excellent, and the timeline view to scroll through your recordings is the best by far. The Pro 2 will work with existing doorbell chimes. Plus, Ring sells a plug-in chime or Wi-Fi extender that can help boost connectivity while providing a selection of fun doorbell tones. So, what are their names again? 3. Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. If you don't want to pay any monthly fees but want a feature-packed doorbell, Eufy, the Anchor smart home brand, has a number of options that use local storage on its home base too. The latest one, the Eufy Dual, is the best, thanks to the addition of a second camera at the bottom to show the doorstep alongside the approach to your front door. A battery-powered doorbell with the option of wiring to trickle charge the battery. The Eufy Dual doesn't charge for storing video on the included home base too. 16 GB provides up to 90 days of clips. There's also no charge for smart alerts that spot people in packages, and innovative AI features are free too. These include Package Live Check Assistance, which frames any packages in a blue box and collects recent events around the delivery for quick viewing, and an Uncollected Package Alert, which has the doorbell check for packages at a designated time, alerting you if you forgot to pick something up. 2. Lorex Doorbell. Right out of the box, you will impress with Lorex's sleek design and simple controls. The functions and features, including person detection, customizable alerts, and an exceptional ability to capture what's going on at night. Not many doorbell cameras on the market do as well as Lorex in this regard. The Lorex app is well designed and intuitive, and its features are more useful than gimmicky, and more importantly, everything just works how it's supposed to. There's no messing with seemingly non-functional motion zones or getting 1,000 alerts every time a gust of wind shakes the branches outside. Lorex Doorbell is one of the few doorbell cams on the market that stores its data locally via a microSD card. This means you have immediate access to your data and you'll never have to pay a monthly storage fee. 1. Nest Doorbell Battery. Google is bringing the same machine learning technology seen in their newest home security cameras to the doorbell too. This system features onboard AI, which can distinguish between people, animals, packages, and vehicles, and alert accordingly. Subscription or not, the camera is positioned vertically at a 3:4 ratio, offering a good view of anything laid on the mat, right up to a close face. And of course, you'll be encouraged to use the Nest Aware subscription service to record events, at which point the system becomes an effective security camera too. The design is very striking. It's not small at 160 millimeters tall, though it's still noticeably thinner than some Ring doorbells. It's certainly a different look from their previous wired model, though this can also be connected to traditional power and chime for the convenience that never charging affords. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.